Seeing a message unable to load home on your Google TV? This usually happens because your device can't properly connect to Google's servers, or the system cache has bugged out after an update or crash. So let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. From your TV home menu, go to the settings using your remote, then go to network and internet. Ensure your Wi-Fi is connected and has a strong signal. But either way, turn the Wi-Fi off for a second. Now turn it back on. Then check your issue. If the error is gone, you just needed a network restart. Solution 2. Clear Google Play Services cache and data. From your TV home menu, go to the settings using your remote, then go to Apps. Scroll down and select See All Apps. Now scroll down again and choose Show System Apps. Scroll through this long list of apps to find the Google Play Services. Once found, open it. Now tap on Clear Cache and then confirm your choice. After that, clear data as well. This removes all the data of your Play Services and resets it. With this, just restart your TV. You need to unplug it completely. Wait a second, then plug your TV back into power. In most cases, the problem gets fixed by now, but if your issue persists, you can try a factory reset. Factory reset will wipe out everything on your TV, but at least it works. So, go to Settings, then scroll down to Device Preferences or System. Now to About. From here, choose Factory Reset, then select Factory Reset again to confirm your choice. The factory reset may take a while, but it will definitely fix your problem. And that's it. Most of the time, clearing the cache or restarting after checking your Wi-Fi fixes the unable to load home error in minutes. If this helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your Google TV model in the comments. I'll reply with specific tips. See you in the next video.